Dear students, today we will continue with the same chapter, but I will give you the new topic, that is multiplication of decimals. How can you multiply the decimal numbers? Multiply the decimal numbers, multiply the numbers as whole numbers by ignoring the decimal point. After that, the number of decimal places in the product equals what? The sum of the number of decimal places in the factors. Okay, and that I will show you. You know what are factors, right? The numbers that we are used in multiplication, that are called factors. And I'll tell. See, 8.39 into 7. I will give you one example, then you will understand. 8.39 into 7 only, right? Into 7. What we want to do? That I have told you, right? You need to ignore the decimal point. After that, you need to count it as a whole number only, and you write it as a whole number. 839 into 7. 7 nines are 63 and 6. 3 sevens are 21 plus 6 is 27. 2. 8 sevens are 56. 56 plus 2 is what? 58. And the answer is what? 5873. And after that, what we want to do? Here we need to put decimal places, right? How can we put decimal places? Decimal point. How can I put decimal point here? First, I need to count the number of decimal places in the factors. Here factors are what? 8.39 and 7. How much decimal places are there? 2 decimal places. So that's why I need to put 2 decimal places in the product also. And then the answer will become what? 58.73. This answer is 58.73. That is the answer. Is it clear? The next one is 18.6 into 12. Okay, how can we do this? By ignoring the decimal point. I need to write it as a whole number, 186 into 12 only. And 6 twos are 12, 1, and 8 twos are 16. 16 plus 1 is 17, and 1 is there. 2 plus 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1, 3, and 6 ones are 6, 8 ones are 8, 1. Okay, after that, I need to add 2, and 7 plus 6, 13, 1, and 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 8, 12, 1, that is 2. And where I need to put decimal point? How much decimal places I need to put? 1 decimal place only. See the number? 1 decimal place only. So the answer is what? 223.2. Answer is 223.2 only. Okay. And the next one is 10.86 into 1.2. How can we? By ignoring the decimal point, I need to write it as a whole number. That is 1086 into 12. Here also we have 1 decimal point. Okay. So we need to write it as 12. And 6 twos are 12, 1, 8 twos are 16, 16 plus 1, 17, 1, and 2 0, 0, and 1. And 2 ones are 2, 6 ones are 6, 8 ones are 8, 1 into 0, 0, 1 ones are 1. Okay, after that you add 2, 7 plus 6, 13, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 8, 10, 1, and 2 plus 1, 3, and 1. Okay. And how much decimal places I need to put? You count the total number of decimal places in the factors. Here we have 2 and here we have 1. 2 plus 1, 3 decimal places I need to put. How? See this decimal answer is 13.032. Is it clear? Okay. And the next one is 325.7 into 2.4. How? 3257 into 24 only. Here also we have 1 decimal point. Okay. And 7 fours are 28, 2, 5 fours are 20, 20 plus 2, 22, 2, and 2 fours are 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 1, and 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13, and 7 2s are 14, 1, 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11, 1, then 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5, then 3 2s are 6. Okay, and after that you add 6, 1, 8, 7. And how much decimal places you need to put? 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, and so answer is 781.68. Okay, because we have 2 decimal places here, I need to put 2 decimal places in the product also. Okay, and the next one is 1978 into 5. 5 8s are 40, 4, 7 5s are 35 plus 4 is 39, 3, 9 5s are 45 plus 3 is 48, 4, and 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 4, 9. Okay, is it? And how much decimal places I need to put it here? Because we have only 1 decimal place here, so we need to put only 1 decimal place. So the answer is 989.0. Okay, effectively that is 989 only. Okay, and the next one is, see, multiplication of 10, 100 and 1000. Multiplication of 10, 100 and multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000 only, right? First, multiplying by 10 moves the decimal point 1 place to the right only. Okay, and 10 into 0.389, what will happen here? For multiplying by 10, the decimal place move 1 place to the right only. So the answer will become what? Here only decimal point, after multiplying by 10, it will become what? 3.89. It will move to right side only, right? And that is 3.89. And the next one is multiplying by 100. How many zeros are there in 100? 2 zeros. That's why the decimal point at the 2 places moves to the right only. The decimal point moves 2 places to the right. That I will show you. See this. Multiply by 100. 7.95 into 100. What will happen there? 1 place, 2 place. It will become what? 795. 7.95. The decimal place jump 1 place to this side and 1 more jump. You know what's the reason? Multiplying by 100 only, 2 zeros are there also. Okay. And multiplying by 1000, what will happen there? That also I will show it there. Multiplying by 1000, what will happen there? See, the decimal point moves 3 places to the right only. Okay, I will give you one example for multiplying by 1000, that is 8.953 into 1000. See this, children, here we have 3 zeros, so we need to jump, the decimal point needs to jump 3 places to the right only. For 1 jump it will become 89.53, and the second jump it will become 895.3, and the third one it will become what? 8953. Here answer is what? 8953. Okay, and the next one is 28.25 into 10. What will happen there? Answer is into 10 only. 1 0 is there. Decimal point needs 1 jump to the right only, right? And it will become what? 282.5. Okay, and the next one 0.81 into 10. What will happen there? 1 jump only, because into 10 only, right? So it will become 8.1. Okay, and 0.14 into 1000. What will happen there? And 3 jumps to the right only. For 1 jump it will become 1.4, and for the second jump it will become 14.0, and for the third jump it will become what? We need to add one more 0 there, right? 1 0 there. It will become 140. Okay, and the 0.8 into 100, what will happen there? 0.8 into 100 means we need to the decimal place, decimal point needs move to 2 places to the right only, right? And how can, for 1 it will become 8 point, and one more this thing, it will become 80 only. Okay, is it? And fifth one, 5.9 into 10, it will become what? 59. 59, right? 59.0. That is 59 only. Okay, and see children, I will give you some homework questions also. See, 895.3 into 10 equals, that is homework. And seventh one, that is 8.023 into 100. Okay, and one more, that is 1.890 into 1000. Okay, you will do. Okay children, thank you.